The papacy is one of the oldest institutions in the world. It has a long and complex history, full of both great achievements and dark moments. For centuries, the Pope, as head of the Catholic Church, has been a central figure in the story of Western civilization. Popes have played many roles: spiritual leaders, political players, patrons of the arts, and even warriors. Understanding the papacy is key to understanding much of European history and the development of Christianity. The papacy's influence extends far beyond the walls of the Vatican. From the fall of the Roman Empire to the rise of modern nation-states, popes have shaped the course of history. Their decisions have affected the lives of millions and left an indelible mark on art, culture, and thought. The papacy's story is a testament to the enduring power of faith and the complexities of human ambition. The roots of the papacy lie in the teachings of Jesus Christ. According to Catholic tradition, Jesus appointed Simon Peter as the leader of his apostles. This event is recounted in the Gospels, particularly in Matthew chapter 16, verse 18, where Jesus says to Peter, "You are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church." After Jesus' death and resurrection, Peter became a prominent leader in the early Christian community in Rome. He preached the gospel and oversaw the growth of the church. His position as the rock upon which Christ built his church formed the basis for the papacy. Early Christians faced persecution and hardship, but they persevered, spreading their faith throughout the Roman Empire. The Bishop of Rome, considered the successor of Peter, gradually emerged as a figure of authority within the church. However, it took centuries for the concept of papal primacy, the belief that the Pope has supreme authority over the entire church, to fully develop. This idea evolved over time, shaped by theological debates, political realities, and the growing influence of the Roman Church. The history of the papacy is not without its periods of turmoil and change. Over the centuries, the papacy faced numerous challenges: internal conflicts, corruption, and external pressures from secular rulers. Yet it was also during these times that important reforms and transformations took place. One such period was the Gregorian reform in the 11th century, initiated by Pope Gregory VII. This reform aimed to free the church from secular interference in appointments to church offices, a practice known as lay investiture. The struggle between popes and emperors over investiture was a defining moment in medieval Europe. It established the papacy as a major power, capable of challenging the authority of kings and emperors. The papacy also played a crucial role in the Council of Trent, which was convened in response to the Protestant Reformation. The council addressed key theological disputes and implemented reforms to strengthen the Catholic Church's structure and discipline. These are just two examples of the many transformations the papacy underwent. Each period of crisis and reform led to a reshaping of the institution, redefining its role within the Church and the world. Throughout its long history, the papacy has been occupied by a diverse cast of individuals. Some popes were pious and scholarly, dedicated to spiritual matters. Others were shrewd politicians and diplomats, navigating the complex world of secular power. One of the most influential popes was undoubtedly Pope Gregory I, who reigned from 590 to 604. Known as Gregory the Great, he is recognized as one of the Church Fathers. Gregory played a key role in spreading Christianity to England. He also reformed church liturgy and administration, leaving a lasting legacy on the church's structure. Another significant figure was Pope Innocent III, who presided over a period of papal supremacy in Europe. Innocent asserted papal authority in both religious and political matters. He excommunicated kings, launched crusades, and convened the Fourth Lateran Council, which addressed a wide range of theological and disciplinary issues. In more recent times, Pope John XXIII left a profound mark on the Church by convening the Second Vatican Council. This council ushered in an era of modernization and dialogue within the Church. It addressed relations with other Christian denominations and the modern world. These popes, each in their unique way, shaped the course of history. Their decisions and actions continue to resonate today, highlighting the enduring influence of the papacy on both religious and secular affairs.